8 more question and answer. Estimate the work done by the League of Nations, pointing out the reasons for its failure. Activities of the League. The League was called in to settle a number of disputes between 1920 and 1925. The League was successful in 3 issues. Sweden and Finland dispute. In 1920, a dispute arose between Sweden and Finland over the sovereignty of the Åland Islands. The League ruled that the islands should go to Finland. Poland and Germany dispute. In the following year, the League was asked to settle the frontier between Poland and Germany in Upper Silesia, which was successfully resolved by the League. Greece and Bulgaria dispute. The third dispute was between Greece and Bulgaria in 1925. Greece invaded Bulgaria and the League ordered a ceasefire. After investigation, it blamed Greece and decided that Greece was to pay reparations. Locarno Treaty. Thus, the League had been successful until signing of the Locarno Treaty in 1925. By this treaty, Germany, France, Belgium, Great Britain and Italy mutually guaranteed peace in Western Europe. Causes of failure. Organization of victorious nation. The League appeared to be an organization of those who were victorious in the First World War. Though it had a worldwide membership, it became very much the center of European diplomacy. Lack of military power. Unanimity of members was required for all its decisions on political issues. Since it lacked the military power of its own, it could not enforce its decisions. Collective security not in practice. The founders of this peace organization underestimated the power of nationalism. The principle of collective security could not be applied in actual practice. Activities of dictatorship. League of Nations rejected Germany's demand of equality of arms with France. So, Hitler withdrew Germany from the League. Japan attacked Manchuria in September 1931 and Italy attacked Ethiopia. The League condemned Japan and Italy. So, both countries resigned from the League. When Italy, Japan and Germany, headed by dictators, refused to be bound by the orders of the League, Britain and France were the only major powers to act decisively. But they were not enthusiastic supporters of the League. America and the League of Nations. It was the brainchild of American President Woodrow Wilson, who could not even convince his country to join this league. Thank you. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.